Hi friends, I am Nikhil and today I am again here in front of you to make this video on how to stay motivated. So please watch my full video. So let's begin. So in each person's life, eventually there comes a time when an absolute lack of reason and motivation starts kicking in. I must say that blessed are those who overcome those times very easily, and there are others who find it very hard to think of a reason why they should keep going and go normally about their lives. So, the first one is defining your objective. Friends, your objective should be crystal clear. You should know what you have to do. You should never be like, okay, if I get this thing, let's begin. If I get this thing, let's begin. If I get this thing, let's begin. No. All you need is a clear focus on your goal. And this is the first path where almost everyone fails. There are very rare people, those who have a very clear set of goals from the beginning. Like, don't take me wrong, obviously, you should have great aspirations and goals you should have. I'm not saying it's a wrong thing. However, it is what that keeps most of the people really working to achieve. So try to set one goal rather than having multiple goals in your life. To succeed, to achieve it faster, stay focused and know it where exactly what you want. It's not like deciding a goal is done. No. Decide a goal, search out the options for the things to achieve it, make a strategy, work on it, follow it, and nail your goal. The second most important thing is declare your intentions. Whatever you want to do, declare it publicly. Whether it's your friends, your families, with your neighbors, or whatever you want to do, or a circle or a professional circle, whosoever you are working to. Reason why I'm telling you this is, you will find it quite hard to quit. Once you have informed this thing to your friend, to your family member, to someone, obviously you will work hard and stick to the targets that yes, you have to do it. And trust me, you have to do it. Yeah? Take that chance, and if anybody laughs, try to prove them wrong. The best part in this is, doesn't matter how long it goes. What matters is it should complete. Take small steps to achieve your goal. If you want to accomplish something, you should be prepared of the fact that it will probably take time. Whether you start a business, you start a new company, something you want to do, like something in your home area, or whatever you want to do. Once you start the things, it takes time. Make sure you believe this. It takes time. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Things are not happening, results are not coming. No, all you have to do is to keep patience and follow your goal strictly. The next most important thing is, if you are getting some negative thoughts, make it aside. That is what the idea of motivation is. If you are feeling low, if you are feeling like your energy level has gone down just because of the thing that you are not getting success, you're not getting the desired results, you're not getting enough support from anyone, and you are putting your 100% efforts but still you are not getting the results, that is the point, that is the time when you feel you start feeling low. That is only the point. So at that moment, all you have to do is be patient, be confident, and you have to trust yourself. Whatever you have done, the hard work you have done, the days and nights you have been you have counted as sleepless to make your dream come true, you have to wait for that. Things takes time. I'll again repeat, things takes time. You have to believe on your own this signature. And last part is the mirror inside your room. Mirror will show you the real thing, who you are, what you want to do, how you will achieve it, what you can do. Trust me, keep a mirror in front of you, speak to the mirror. You will get a lot of insights, a lot of interesting facts about yourself, what you do, how you feel it, how you look like, how you react, how you perceive the things, how you make the things done, what's your way of talking, what's your way of communication. There are a lot of things which a mirror can teach you. So have a good mirror in your room, speak to the mirror and see the difference. You should write down each and every steps of your progress and success, right? Whatever you have achieved, it should be tick mark, right? It should be highlighted, it's done. And don't forget it's done means it's done forever. No, there will be a time when you have to re engineering that step, that you have to change it. Sometimes we get some challenges from outside which we have never thought of. So that moment you have to change all those things. So keep on doing. So if you like the video, please share it and do comment so that I can get the insights where I was wrong, where I need effort, because this is like a mirror for me. Thank you so much.